How to use Writesonic iTeam platform properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Writesonic is a powerful iWriting platform designed for teams, but many beginners make costly mistakes that limit results. You won't believe how small missteps can waste time and lower content quality, but once you know what to avoid, Writesonic can supercharge your marketing and content creation. A common mistake is not defining clear content goals before generating outputs. Writesonic can produce blog posts, add copy emails, and social media content, but beginners often start without specifying the purpose, tone, or audience. This leads to generic or off-brand content. For example, asking for a blog post about social media marketing without context may produce something broad and unengaging. Always set parameters like audience persona, tone, and word count. Another error is neglecting the collaboration tools. Writesonic's team platform allows multiple users to share prompts, drafts, and feedback. Beginners often work in isolation, missing opportunities for team input and content refinement. Using shared folders, commenting, and version history keeps everyone aligned and saves hours of revisions. Over-reliance on outputs is also a trap. Generated content may need fact-checking, stylistic adjustments, or SEO optimization. Beginners often publish content without reviewing it, which can harm credibility or ranking. For instance, using AI to create a listicle without verifying statistics could lead to errors and lost trust. Additionally, beginners often ignore templates and workflows designed for efficiency. Writesonic provides pre-built structures for emails, ads, and long-form content. Skipping these templates slows production and reduces consistency. Leveraging them ensures faster, higher quality outputs. Finally, tracking performance is key. Writesonic integrates with analytics tools to measure engagement and conversions, but beginners often skip this step. Regularly reviewing performance metrics helps refine prompts, tone, and content strategy. To use Writesonic iTeam platform properly, define clear goals, collaborate effectively, fact-check outputs, use templates strategically, and monitor performance. Avoiding these mistakes transforms Writesonic from a simple writing tool into a powerful team content engine.